how can you delete all photos on the iPhone except for the favorites? Let me show you some methods you have available. If you're new here on this channel, consider subscribing for more tutorials and sort of videos like this one. So of course, when you go to the Photos app, you can see a couple of them are like favorites. But my point is that I would go to the collections and check out the favorites folder. So it is part of the utilities. You click there and you might have a couple of pictures, whatever, but I would, the point is that I want to remove them from the Photos app and store the photos someplace else. So I'm going to select all of the favorites, click on the share, and I will tap the save to files option. So I'm going to move them from the Photos app to the Files app. Perhaps I can create a new folder, name it my favorite photos, whatever, but those are going to be stored there. The goal with this is to have the photos saved and securely stored so nothing really happens to them. And right now, if I want to delete everything else in here, it's really not that big of a deal because I can click on select and literally drag all of the images, keep on deleting, and I don't have to worry about like accidentally deleting the photos, which I want to keep on my device because, these are stored in a different app. So that's how it works. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to do it. In case of any additional questions, let me know about those below in the comments. Subscribe for tutorials like this, and I'll catch you later in the next videos.